Hi, everybody. My name is Mr. Escobedo, and I am the sixth grade science teacher here at Eastview. I'm very excited to meet all of you guys, especially just to give thanks to all your wonderful students. So, getting to know me, Mr. Escobedo. My name is Fabian Escobedo, and I actually grew up in White Plains. I went to MAS, and middle school I ended up going to Eastview. So I'm so happy to be here, and ended up finishing White Plains High School 2010. Currently, I am the coach girls lacrosse here outside of school. I have coached volleyball. I've done boys lacrosse, and I've also done football. For undergrad, I studied at SUNY Cortland, and for grad school, for my teaching cert, I went to New York Institute of Technology. During that time, I was a teaching assistant here at Eastview for 3 years and a teacher following after that in Co-op City in the Bronx. I am currently here at Eastview excited to teach sixth grade on team purchase. So let's get started. So quick introduction. Welcome to my science class. My students will be challenged to think analytically, use judgment, and to search new answers, and to apply newly acquired knowledge to relative situations. That means we are always going to be entering this class critically and creatively thinking skills, like using everything we can to encourage our mindset. My students will be scientists and make their own exciting discoveries. Together in my sixth grade science class, we will explore and learn new things and grow to love and appreciate science. So, overall, our sixth grade curriculum, we start off by diving into the steps of the scientific method and experimental design, the role of the scientist, forces and motion, energy, light and sound, electricity and magnetism, chemistry, and simple machines. Oops. All right. The way we do our assessments here, we have quizzes and tests, lab works, long and short-term projects, purposeful homework assignments, classwork assignments, exit tickets, reflection, and of course, class participation. Here's my grading policy. Tests and quizzes are 20%. Lab work and projects are 30%. Classwork assignments are 40%, and homework is 10%. Things you should know: tests and quizzes. Before each test, a study guide will be provided to disclose the material that will be covered on the test. Tests are always announced, and students are given ample study time before an exam date. Quizzes are smaller increment of material covered within the unit, usually once a week. We try to assess around a Thursday or Friday, but we'll move on towards that. The grading policy. Classwork. Students will always be rewarded based on his or her effort. Graded classwork are due nows, effort, and class participation. Being prepared for class with materials and assignments. Also, fully charged iPads. Exit ticket. Purposeful homework. Completing an assignment not finished in class. Reviewing notes and or a study guide to prepare for a quiz or a test. Working on a short or long-term project. A special moving ahead assignment, or like a reading or a worksheet, something that goes along with our day. The materials needed in our classroom. The Avid binder with a section designated for science, iPads, and earbuds or headphones, multiple pencils with eraser, a highlighter, your own pair of scissors, glue sticks, markers, or colored pencils. All these things because we do work on labs and we try to get materials inside. And finally, if any parents have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Here is my email below. I am always open for email, even on message on Schoology or on the phone. I do speak Spanish. Please, I'm very open and very welcoming. I do want to Thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to work with your children. I do find teaching a passion, and I do want to make sure that I serve right by you guys. All right. Thank you. Take care. Nice to meet you guys.